name is Prajna. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a flower. It is so simple. So you just need like a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter paper, a square paper. So let's get 4 of them. I have all of these here. These 4. So let's get started. So first I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so first you need to keep your paper like a kite and then fold it. And then again fold it. And then you're supposed to make sure that there is one side which is opening and one side which isn't opening. And then make a petal shape with your pencil and then cut it. Then you open it and then you have a flower. Then you do this with all of the papers. Continue to do this with all of the 4 papers and do it by all of the sizes, like first big, a little smaller than the big one, and medium, and then the smallest.
Now we have 4 beautiful flowers. So from the first flower, which is the biggest one, we're supposed to cut 2 petals. From the second one, we're supposed to cut 3 petals. Now taking our third flower, we're supposed to cut 4 petals. And now from our last, which is the fourth flower, we're supposed to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Just a small correction here, we're supposed to cut 6 petals and 2 petals have to be there for the last one.
Now, using glue, we are supposed to put glue on one petal and then stick the other petal to that petal. And while the last 2 which we do, we are supposed to stick half of the petal to the other one, because then
if we use one whole petal as a cap, our flower will become really small and it won't look nice. So make sure to leave just a gap of half a petal while sticking.
I don't know. Okay, so now it's time for the sticking part. Okay, so here was the one which we did first. Now I'm going to put some glue in the middle. Now I'm going to take this one, the second one which we stuck, and like this. I'm going to take a pencil and stick it off. And now I'm going to take the one with 4 left in it. Yeah. See the size and just keep moving. Okay, there's some already glue there. We put some glue and so our flower is ready. So good.
Be sure to click the big red subscribe button, give a like to this video. That's all for now. See ya. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe.